is where I started Bee Swarm for the first ever time. This is where I started recording it for the first ever time anyway. So yeah, this is me when I started playing Bee Swarm. Yeah, okay, it's Bee Swarm Simulator. I've already, have I joined you? Okay, but lady, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now, by the way? This is my poo, yes, it's the crabs. Very good, do yes. Stop. Wait, your chins, please. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's do some time traveling right now. This was the day I returned to the Bee Swarm forever. As you can see by this, I have the brown dipper, I have the old backpack. This is where I got to when I stopped playing Bee Swarm Simulator. And this is where I found my first ever mythic meteor shower. And this is where I am now. This is my hive right now. I have the Paladin Dipper, I have the Pelmet, I have Fuzzy Bee, I have a lot of mythics, I have Gifted. This is my hive right now from last time, you may have saw. So, yeah. This is my hive. This is me right now. Soon to get into Windy Bee area. I need one more hive slot. I can now summon mythic meteor showers when I want to. Like, especially there. I can do Tunnel Bear now. I can do King Beetle now. I've been able to do King Beetle for ages. And, yeah. I've got a couple that gives gifts. It's famous currently. And yeah, this is me now. See yous.